You're done. 45 times.
Let's swap the boxes out. Let's put that 20 or 15 cube box in one of them.
It's not gonna work. What up? What up? Wow.
Hey Trace, Johnson move over.
You see that?
The other burps you were only doing it like it wasn't sampling long enough, but that last time was good.
There you go, push on the door. Come back.
Hey, go around the other side and hold the quarter window.
1.2 dBs of flex. $147.2.